Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming to you guys all braided up and ready for a wig review. I was sent this by Sam's Beauty to show you guys how to apply and style. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take it out of the package. Okay, let's take all of this off. You know, they come all secure with the net and everything to help it keep its shape. And this is how she looks. I guess this is the 3XL Swiss lace parting area. And this is a lace frontal wig, 100% human hair and hybrid mix. The name of this is Kiana, and the color is T4 and 27 mix. It's a very pretty color though. Let's try it on first before I cut the lace. So as usual, they have the combs here at the temples, and you have the adjustable strap in the back. And this one will be a bit different since it has the Swiss lace. I wonder if I could go ahead and put a cap on with this one since it's made different. So we'll try it, and if I don't like the way it looks, I'll just take it off. Ooh, it's very comfy. That's the first thing I noticed. It feels really good on. Wow, it's so comfortable, y'all. It's like, wow. Those colors are pretty. I like that. We gotta get this cut. She's looking all right. Show you how long it is. I'd say that's a pretty good length. In the back. Mid, okay. Wow, mid back. Almost to my waist. I'm impressed. Mostly by just how comfortable it is. Like, it stretched directly to the shape of my head. Wow. So guys, because it felt so good on my head, I had to go back and flip this over. I remember they actually put information on the back of these. So it says that it's silk base, ultra soft Swiss lace, hand tied knots with natural hairline, lightweight contouring mesh cap. I'm sure that's what makes a big difference, aside from the fact that it's flexible fit for various head shapes and sizes. Like, you don't understand how big of a difference that makes. Like, just comparing it to the other two wigs that I've actually tried from Sam's Beauty, like, this is it. Seriously, unlimited parting options. That's also, I might actually like this one for myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, I'm supposed to be cutting off the lace. Is it shedding? I have a few strands sticking out, but not very many. It's itching underneath. Oh my gosh, so easy to get to. My scalp. She's not overly thick, but she doesn't have see-through spots. She does not have see-through spots, y'all. Oh my gosh. Now, I like the other two wigs, don't get me wrong, but I love this one. A very good buy. I'm gonna have to get the price of it. I didn't even bother to look it up. Man, kind of want to move it back to my hairline though, and pull out my own baby hairs, you know, around this area. You guys know how I like to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and add my dots to be glued. guys, I'm tapping that got to be glued around my edges. Here. I'm gonna push them down as well. Okay, that's all I got to be glued we need. I'm gonna let it sit for a second and get tacky. And I'm gonna figure out the price of this wig. Yeah. Kiana is $59.99. Yeah, and she comes in a lot of different colors. You guys should definitely check it out. I'll provide all the links in the description box, of course. I gotta look out for my people. So $60 and she's yours. I know that red probably would have been hot, but the only thing about it is the 1B that it's mixed with. I know that I can't go too dark or I look crazy. Okay. Hopefully we're good. I don't see the point in using the combs or the adjustable band, considering, you know, it's so flexible. The cap is flexible, but I guess if you want, you know, or you need the additional security, that's good to have as well. Go ahead and rub around my edges. Just to make sure that I laid everything down the best that I could. I'm kind of pressing it down, guys. This is it. I'm going to try a side part. The only thing that's bothering me at the moment is that I feel like I have a hump right here. Which means that I probably could tighten it up a bit. It doesn't feel like there's additional cap, but there's a little mini hump that keeps popping up there. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? I need to know. Guys. Oh my gosh. I so wish I had gotten brown. This wig is so beautiful. Now you can't tell me. Yeah, that hump is gone. Okay. You can't tell me that this isn't beautiful. And then the fact that you can part it however you want. Means I could actually wear it like this. If I knew what I was doing, I could go in and pluck that part, y'all. Make this thing work for me. But I don't really know much about that. But this is so pretty. Like, I promise, I'm so impressed. Extremely impressed. So guys, we're not about to sit here and pretend like this is not Beyonce's wig from the Irreplaceable video. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. Okay, I'm about to, I have my contour kit here. I'm about to fill in my part a little bit. So we need everything to be official. Whoops. Hate when I make sloppy parts. Grabbed the wrong brush today, girl. Baby. This is my Beyonce wig, y'all. My goodness. I looked up and got a Beyonce wig. Thank you so much, Sam's Beauty. Thank you so much for Beyonce-fying me. Okay, so I went in and went a little OD on that part. We're gonna tap it out a little bit. Is it too noticeable? Or is it okay? It's just a little powder. Nothing that a comb can't fix, you know? So yeah. This is it. I pushed it back a little bit more for my hairline because I had it up a little too far for my comfort. So it looks like this. And yes, we can do parts. You know, I had tried a deep part, but it just kept coming over in my face a little too much, you know? Yeah, I wasn't really feeling that. So I went ahead and I switched the part. I think I like my part better on this side. And you can have a sleek wave like this. See how gorgeous that is? That wave reminds me of a more classic look, like I'm about to put on a gown. Gorgeous. One night only. Or you can give it body and become irreplaceable. So guys, do not miss out on this wig. It is from samsbeauty.com and the style is Kiana. She is $59.99 right now. Don't miss out on her. She's beautiful and she comes in other colors. So be sure to check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big old thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.